Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content. I'll send rest of pictures later.
Keep it up to yourself.
He is at the door.
I am at home.
We are at the shop.
They are at the station.
He is on leave.
Don't you think so?
Are you two following me?
Have you lost your mind?
For old time's sake.
It can be a mistake.
Admit your mistake?
What will I do by staying there?
Nothing.
He knows everything.
I had a stomachache.
I didn't mean it.
You seem to be tired.
He will begin to weep.
Laugh as much as you.
Come from this way.
I told you.
Doesn't matter.
Nothing will happen.
Look ahead.
Look behind.
Not you.
Not now.
Nothing else.
Shame on you.
But why?
Stay at home.
Don't go out.
No mention.
Introduce yourself.
I am not like that.
That's all.
Let it be.
What does it mean?
I am about to leave.
Yet.
Just.
Lately.
Recently.
So far.
Up to now.
Up to the present.
Don't give her hope.
Don't get me wrong.
I will go with her.
It will not happen.
I'll try my level best.
I will surely do it.
It's up to you.
He spoiled my mind.
You always spoil my mind.
Why are you spoiling my mind?
She got offended.
You have no match.
Don't gimmick too much.
He has a mild fever.
I have a mild fever.
I did as I was told.
He gets offended.
Did you get offended?
Don't get offended, it's holy.
Why are you getting offended?
Don't get offended, I was kidding.
Why are you getting offended?
You are a glutton.
You were also there.
At least listen to me.
At least don't lie.
You just mind your own business.
Stop staring at me.
I recognized his voice.
I want to talk to you alone.
There is no need to pretend.
Don't spoil my mind.
Let's go to the waiting room.
You spoiled the whole game.
You spoke out my mind.
I'll surely make his dream come true.
The train is about to arrive.
Get in the train.
Strike the iron when it is hot.
Selfishness is common these days.
I believe in myself.
Keep the luggage beside.
Get something to eat.
It is beyond my capacity.
What bring you here?
Why did you let him go?
When will the train leave?
I am in a dilemma what to do.
You have given me a rupee less.
You do anything, I don't care.
It doesn't make any difference.
The next station is Dehradun.
It was a slip of tongue.
You can't stand against me.
These slippers are not going to stay long.
He is accused of theft.
He is accused of stealing money.
It's very kind of you.
You are indeed a generous person.
Get your watch repaired.
She is stitching clothes.
These people want to meet you.
He has a headache.
I am waiting for you.
Please get up. It's 7 o'clock.
This house is to let.
Now the patient is out of danger.
Which way is the operation theater?
Things are deteriorating day by day.
I am worried about my health.
I am feeling giddy.
Better you switch off the TV right away.
The man got punished for what he had done.
Your father is older than my father.
I know how this problem can be solved.
He watches TV while having the food.
I don't want to even see your face.
Can you please spare some time for me?
I said get lost.
Shut up. You don't know anything.
Shut up. I don't want to hear anything.
You won't change.
What the hell is going on here?
I am sick of you.
Stop arguing with me.
Don't try to be too smart.
What is Ram doing these days?
A word to wise is enough.
That is a boy.
Did you try?
What's so special in it?
It's kind of you.
Gopal is my friend.
Who will go to Dehradun?
You are so innocent.
It's a 9 days wonder.
Who do you want to meet?
Who wants to meet me?
The matter has hearted person.
He is my brother.
What happened?
Electricity is gone.
Battery is finished.
What do we do now?
Wait, what else?
But for how long?
How do I know?
Let's go to the terrace.
That's a good idea.
Keep quiet in this condition.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.